16 spins to go. 17.
I'm up to $17. Oh! 35 more. 16 spins left. Girl, nothing on that one. Oh, those
That
chickens
should have been some chickens there. 12 spins.
Oh, no.
11 spins.
5 credits.
Worthless.
That was lame.
10 spins. 9 spins.
Oh, no.
8 spins.
5 more credits.
Up $17 so far. Bunch of wilds.
Yeah, $185.
$1.85.
This is ridiculous. I'm gonna win $20.
Might win more.
Oh, those should have been worth something.
6 spins left.
6 spins. Oh, got lots of. Oh, no. 50 more credits.
4.
4 spins. Oh,
Lots of wilds.
Oh,
Another $1.50. Nope.
I love the cows.
Bonus. Another 10.
Yes.
More bonus. Another 5.
This is awesome.
4 spins. 3 spins. 2 spins.
1 spin.
Last spin. Here it comes.
Oh. Done.
Credits 1.
Cash it out. Yeah.
Let's see the voucher, Calley.
$22 after only paying $1 to play.
$1 in, $22 out.
$22 out. That's my way to play.
Got to love Las Vegas.
That was awesome.